Hanging out with my good buddy Josh, Masterpiece Mobile Auto, his guys, Patience Metal Fab, everybody. We're down here having a good time. Just want to talk to you a little bit about both my cars. All right, so started with this whole project as my dream high school car, right? My second car was a 92 16-valve GTI. I always thought my dream car would be a 1,000 power all-wheel drive version of it. Well, here we go. I basically took the driveline out of a 2004 Mark IV R32. So it's a 3.2 liter VR6 built motor turbo, capable of 1,000 horsepower. Right now it's making 505 to all 4 tires. So all-wheel drive, Haldex, 4-motion system. I started building a race car and started making it pretty and just didn't quit. We don't need to get into a ton of details here, but one of my favorite things about the car is the firewall. I Frenched in the tailgate from a Rabbit Caddy pickup. It's kind of hard to find, but it's there and it's fun to point out. These wheels are BBS 3-piece, 17-inch, converted and built and polished. A lot of people think they're chrome. It's a lot of elbow grease. Kind of go through the details here. Davies Motorsports made these cool handles. They're billet. The name of the car is Waskly, like Waskly Wabbit. You know, it's a Golf, it's a Rabbit, whatever. They've changed the name so many times I stopped keeping track. The interior here is done by Top Stitch. It's a Relicate Spirit of Le Mans orange and blue. Very cool. Ties in the colors of the orange and blue. Wrapped the dash in leather with 2 different color stitchings. We 3D printed the bezel to receive the AIM digital dash. We get to the back here, obviously get to see a lot of Masterpiece Mobile Auto's amazing work. There's a fuel-safe fuel cell in here. I tried to keep the stock location for the filler, but put a different style gas filler in, Frenched it in smooth, made it, you know, just something unique. And of course we have the Audiotec Fischer HELIX amplifiers, Focal Utopia 10s firing down, super clean. The roll cage definitely is race certified. I don't know for what spec, but basically anything that I would want to try to do. Patience Metal Fab, their tolerances, their gapping, everything super, super tight, enough to where my interior guy was really mad at me trying to fit the headliner in. Something similar to Masterpiece Mobile Auto's techniques of everything OCD, crazy, fit perfect. If you guys want to find me, I'm on Instagram at Waskly R32. If you're at the show here, you can scan that QR code. It'll take you to my website, which is wasklyr32.com. Friends Josh Rittenauer, so happy to work with him. He's always a pleasure. He's even more OCD than I am, so it's great to work with someone that's hard to please. One thing I want to point out in this car is that everybody I've showed so far about this radar detective system from Uniden is you can't tell where it is. He does a really good job of creating a space, 3D printing stuff, blending things. You can't even see it. So from what I understand, I'm still learning here, these 3 panels here do the business. To me, it looks like shiny black bumper that I got from OEM. I don't know.
Yeah, so what we did on this thing is we 3D scanned the whole front bumper, designed all the pods in CAD, laser transponders blend in, and our whole mission at Masterpiece is to make things look like they came with the car as opposed to added to the car. So we did a full Uniden R9w system in this with radar receivers, laser receivers, and then laser transponders. And if we go to the cabin of the vehicle, for the display and controller, we 3D scanned this upper pod in the car, designed this all in CAD, and then integrated it to look factory. So the display is hidden behind some smoked acrylic, so it's not visible until the vehicle's actually on. And then all of the controls are built right into the side there. So that's the Uniden system. And then in addition on this car, we did a full audio upgrade. So this had the Harman Kardon premium sound system from Volkswagen. And starting with the front stage, what we did is we 3D scanned these A-pillars here, which from the factory just had a flat grill in there with a tweeter that was off-axis facing towards the center. So we 3D scanned the A-pillars, designed them in CAD to properly position the tweeters on axis for best imaging and staging, and then designed those parts. We replaced the center channel speaker, the door speaker, the door speakers, and then also the rear speakers in the vehicle. We use all Audiotec Fischer products. This particular build got all Helix speakers. And then moving to the back here, we 3D scanned the whole back end of the vehicle. All the beauty panels. It has 2 of the new Helix IQ 12-inch weighted mass subwoofers. This is in a 5 cubic foot vented enclosure designed by one of the industry's best, one of my super good buddies, Jeff Smith from MSC. The system's powered by Helix V8 Ultimate DSP that has a built-in Helix DSP in it. And then each of the subwoofers have a dedicated Helix amplifier powering them. So all the trim panels, everything on the back end build was all CAD designed, either CNC cut, laser cut, or resin printed. Did a little subtle LED lighting in there. Kind of hit the button behind here so you can turn it on and off. And yeah, this is a super fun build for a super fun customer that just gives us creative freedom, and he trusts us, and he knows that I'm more OCD than he is, and gives me the flag and lets me run with it.